Hey guys, so I'm back. So this video is going to be a get ready with me video. Yes, I look the same as in the previous video whenever I showed you guys how I did this hair, but I filmed the intro the same day. So yeah, with this get ready with me, I'm going to show you how I defined the curls on my hair and everything, because I already showed you how to install the wig. So I will put that down below if you're interested in it. This hair is from Dsoar hair, and it is a Malaysian Deep Wave wig, 24 inches, 5x5 closure. It's not a frontal, but it looks like a frontal, if you know what I'm saying. But yeah, in this video I show you how I define my curls and everything and get my hair ready for the day. And I also show you how I do this makeup, which is the eye portion. I didn't show you like the full face with the foundation and stuff, because it's kind of like the same routine. And if y'all want like an updated foundation and contour routine and stuff like that, then I will do that. But to keep the video more short and simple and straight to the point, I just really showed you how to do the eyes. I added my lips later because I did have to put a mask on. I just went to go and get my nails done. So yeah, I just used a brown liner, a nude liquid lipstick, and then I put on a pinky milky color gloss by Buxom, which I think is pink champagne or something. So yeah, that's it. You know, that's what I did. So if y'all want to see how I did this, and also I'm going to show you my outfit at the end as well. So yeah, if y'all want to see this get ready with me, then keep on watching. Okay, dolls, so this is the next morning after I filmed the install video. So I'm just taking my hair down. You can see how it looks. It's super laid. You can see I'm excited that it's still laying and everything. So I'm just taking my hair down. I just clip it up and, you know, tie a scarf around. And the curls still look really good, but I'm going to go ahead and wet them down and redefine them. So I have my Mr. Spray bottle. This is from Sally's Beauty Supply if anyone is looking for it. I like this because it comes out as a mist and the water is not harsh and just dripping everywhere. So yeah, I'm just spraying my hair down with water. It's only water in this bottle, and then I will add some products in later. So I just kind of go in and mist the hair to dampen it down, and then I'm going to take this brush, which is like one of those tangle kind of brushes that gets all the tangles out. So I'm just going to brush my hair out with this brush, starting at the ends and then working my way to the top to kind of untangle this hair to make sure it doesn't have any tangles. And then once I do that, I can see where the hair is still kind of dry at. So I go back in with my water bottle and spray down my hair some more, because wetting it down is what is going to define your curls. So if you want more of a bushier kind of look, kind of more wild look, then you could brush the hair out and wear it how it is, or don't wet it down as much. But I prefer the more sleek, really defined curls. And then I also did the same thing on the other side. So I haven't added any products in other than water so far. I just like to go in and detangle and everything, and then, you know, make sure that the hair is saturated enough with water. So now I'm taking my Cantu. This is a leave-in conditioner. I just took a very little bit of it, and this is just going to help the hair to have some moisture to it, because I didn't use conditioner as my styling product for this hair, which is what I normally do. So I just used a little bit just so that it can really moisturize the hair really good. And then I'm going to take this Frizz Free. This is like a wet and wavy mousse. It's really for like curly hair. So I'm going to take that. I'm going to take quite a bit. And this is what I'm going to use to define my curls. And this is also going to lock the curls in place where they're not all frizzy and stuff. So I just take a generous amount, and I'm just applying it to one side of the hair and working it through. And I'm also going to take the brush once again and just brush it through the hair to make sure that it's getting on all of the hair. And then I kind of go in and scrunch it a little bit. I'm taking a little bit extra and putting it right in the front to make sure that that area is nice and defined as well. And then I just scrunch it a little bit, and you can see how the hair looks. And then I kind of flip the hair to the back so that it can air dry with my ceiling fan on while I am starting to do my makeup. So I just did the same thing on the other side as well. And I'm just working the product in, brushing it out, and doing the same thing that I did on the other side. Really repetitive, but Y'all know the gist. Y'all know how to do this, but I wanted to leave it in so y'all could see how I do it because I didn't leave it in the initial video. But if you want to see how I installed this wig, I will have that linked down below. And I take a little bit more and put on the top section just to lay down any little flyaways or anything like that. So now I'm going to let the hair air dry and let's jump into the makeup. Okay, so the palette that I'm using is the Be Perfect Carnival palette. This is the Extra Large Pro Carnival palette by Stacey Marie. And the first color I am taking is a really dark chocolate brown, which is called Intuition. And I'm sorry, on this portion of the video, I was really trying to show y'all what I was doing. And I wasn't checking as much to see that the camera was out of focus on some parts. But, you know, you get the gist of it and you can still pick up from this tutorial and see what I'm doing, but some parts are a little blurry. So yeah, after I use that color and pack it on, right on top of that, I'm gonna take the color Hall, which is like a little bit of a warm tone brown that is lighter than the brown that I put down first. And then I'm gonna go in with an even lighter brown, which is called Basic, and I'm just using that to kind of blend it out. As you can see, I'm starting with a darker color and then I'm working my way to a lighter brown to blend out. And you could do this with any colors and it works perfect. So yeah, I'm just doing that, blending it out. And then I'm going to go in with Pillow Talk for my highlight color. And it's kind of blurry, fading out. But I'm just putting this on my brow bone. And I really like this color. It's nice and popping. So yeah, I'm just patting that on. And then now I'm going to take the color Shuffle. And this one is a little bit of a mustard yellowy brown color. And I'm just putting that as well in the crease underneath the highlighted area because I felt like I wanted some warmth, and yellow and oranges really bring warmth to an eyeshadow look. So yeah. Sorry, y'all, I'm getting all choked up. But yeah, so I'm just blending that out. And then I'm going to take my P. Louise base and cut my crease. This is also the same product that I had on to start the look off with, that I had all over my lids to blank them out. I just didn't show y'all how I did that. But yeah, so I'm just using this product to cut my crease. And I do like to slightly tug on the edge of my eye because it really allows me to see what I am doing. So yeah, I'm just cutting my crease. And then once I do that, I also do like to go in with a glitter glue so that my eyeshadow does not transfer up. So I'm using the NYX glitter glue as a base for my shadows to really stick to so that they are not, you know, getting everywhere or transferring up. But when you do a cut crease, if you bring it up high enough, it usually won't transfer. But some eyeshadows are just, you know, they don't stay in place as well. So I suggest using a glitter glue because it's really going to hold it in place. And it also makes any shimmery colors really sparkle. So I'm taking the Anastasia Beverly Hills Pink Champagne. And then I also took the Fenty Galaxy palette. And I'm using the colors Ozone and Milky Way, which are two nudie, glittery kind of colors. And I like to mix all of these together. I use this as a combo all the time on the lid, and I'm just packing that on. You can use any shimmery, champagne-y kind of color to get this kind of look. But, you know, I like to do this combo, so I decided to show y'all what it is that I use on my lids a lot of times. So I'm blending out the corner with Shuffle. And then I'm going to go in and start picking up the darker colors. I like to start off with the lighter color just in case any glitter glue is left on the edge so that it won't be patchy. Because if you start off with the dark color, sometimes it will cling on to that color and it will start to look patchy. So then I'm going back in with the color Hall, and then I'm going to start building that up and just working my way back to the darkest color, which is Intuition. And I'm going to pat that in the outer corner and kind of blend that in the corner as well, if y'all know what I mean. I haven't did a tutorial in so long. But yeah, I'm trying to start doing them again because y'all say all the time I need to do some makeup tutorials. So yeah, now you can see how it looks. It looks nice and blended, and we have the cut crease popping out. So now I took some gel liner and I'm just kind of putting some in my waterline just in the front. I'm not going to do a wing or a full line across. I just put a little bit in the front, and then I'm going to put my mascara on, and then we're going to move on to lashes. So all of these lashes I already showed in a haul video. I don't even know which style number this is, but you can see the lashes here. They're nice and fluffy, really pretty. And then I have applied one lash, and then now I'm going to go back in and use those same colors on my lower lash line to just blend everything in together. I remember back in the day I never used to put eyeshadow at the bottom, and now I feel like I have to do it every single time because it just completes the look for me. So I started off with Haul, I believe, and then I used Intuition on the outer portion to deepen that up, and I kind of tie it in with the top part of my eyes where they are kind of winging out with the shadow, if you will. So yeah, you can see what I'm doing. And then I put my mascara on, and then I'm taking this highlighter by Anastasia Beverly Hills, and I'm using that as my inner corner highlight for it to pop out. And I think I used this same one on the face and mixed it with Riviera as well. I'm going to spray my face down and mist it so all of the powders can sink in. I did kind of have a tan, so my foundation was a little bit lighter, but I had just got this tan, so don't come for me, honey. But yeah, it still came out cute once everything melted together. And then I took my hot comb and just, you know, defined my hair again. So this is how I'm looking. Cute, right? Yes. So here's the fit. I did throw something on super quick because I was leaving to get my nails done, but I just came back home, so I decided to go ahead and film the outfit portion instead of leaving it out. So I just put this dress on, and it's like scrunchy. Y'all probably saw this dress in my rainbow video. So this dress is from Rainbow, and it's nice and comfy, and it stretches out really good. It is a size medium, and I think the dress was like $10-12, something like that. And it scrunches up at the bottom and stuff like that. So yeah, that's what I have on. I didn't change out my jewelry, but I will just show y'all real quick. I just kept on my Chanel necklace. I have on my stud earrings, just basic. And I put on these rings. These stacked rings, and this one is also in a video. I will link it down below, my latest jewelry video, so you can see where those are from. And then this is a ring that was from my site that I used to sell jewelry on. And then my watch, all of that info will be linked in the jewelry video as well. And yeah, for my shoes, I'm gonna pan down and show you. I still have the little things in my toes that you get from the nail salon because I want to make sure my toes are completely dry, and I didn't sit under the thing for super long because I was ready to go. But let me show y'all the purse that I used. So this is the bag that I carried with my outfit, so it matches the pink perfectly. And this is my Chanel boy bag. I believe this is like the medium size, and it's this really pretty baby pink color. So let me show you the full fit. All right, so I don't know if y'all can see, but I just threw these sandals on. I'm gonna take them off and show y'all so y'all can really see, but they matched pretty good with the dress because it does kind of have like those little dots on it. So I was like, let me put these on. So I just picked these up the other day at the mall, and these are by Wild Diva. It's just like a jelly, and then it's clear, and you have like these smoky black kind of stones in it. So yeah, I kind of felt like since I put these on, I probably should have put on a black purse, but I really wanted to wear my pink one, and since they were black and clear, I was like, it's good, it's good. So yeah, this is just a quick little fit that I threw on to go get my nails done. So yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed this get ready with me video, and if you want more of these, then let me know. I will try to start doing them more because usually I'm rushing, but I made the time today. I was still rushing, but I got it done. So pat on the back for me. And I also filmed a nail shop vlog, so that's coming too, but it's gonna be on my vlog channel, so stay on the lookout for that as well. So yeah, don't forget to like, comment, rate, subscribe, all of that stuff. I love you dolls. Bye dolls.